The construction industry is on the brink of major turnaround. With rapid technological advancements, companies now have access to solutions that can increase safety and efficiency. At the same time, these innovations help cut labor needs and reduce costs, making projects smarter and more affordable. In this video, we're diving into some groundbreaking inventions that are set to revolutionize heavy construction forever. Number 20. Next-Gen Hadrian X. This is an advanced automated construction robot developed by FBR that can build structural walls directly on site from 3D CAD plans. It uses a telescopic boom arm and dynamic stabilization technology to lay up to 360 to 500 masonry blocks per hour, dramatically increasing speed and precision compared to traditional bricklaying. Designed for residential and commercial builds, Hadrian X improves safety, reduces waste, and can complete a house's walls in as little as a day. Number 19. Bedrock Robotics Autonomous Technology. Now we have AI-powered autonomous heavy equipment retrofits. Founded by former Waymo engineers, Bedrock enables existing excavators, dozers, and loaders to become fully autonomous through same-day hardware upfits, extending the life and value. These machines use advanced AI, computer vision, and edge computing to dig, grade, and move earth independently with consistent precision. The platform directly addresses critical labor shortages in data centers, energy infrastructure, and housing projects by automating repetitive, high-risk tasks that once required multiple skilled operators. Number 18. Xcentric Ripper. The Xcentric Ripper stands out as a powerful excavation tool thanks to its integrated technologies and advanced system design. It is widely used in demanding applications such as quarrying, construction, tunneling, demolition, mining, and even underwater operations. Built from anti-wear steel, the machine requires minimal maintenance and can operate reliably in harsh environments without risk of damage. In addition to its durability and versatility, the Xcentric Ripper produces significantly less noise than traditional digging tools, making it a more efficient and environmentally friendly solution. Number 17. Dazzini Machine Chainsaw. When it comes to squaring marble and stone blocks, the QST300D chainsaw from Dazz represents the final frontier in precision cutting. Powered by a CAT 432 motor with a dedicated hydraulic circuit, it delivers smooth and effortless operation. Built for both day and night use, the machine is designed to withstand all weather conditions. Operators benefit from enhanced control, as the chainsaw's inclination can be adjusted using the backhoe stabilizers, and it can also be operated remotely. Number 16. HP Siteprint Value Pack 3.0. This is an advanced autonomous construction layout system that prints digital CAD designs directly onto floors, replacing manual methods like chalk lines and tape. The upgrade improves speed and navigation with smart sensing technology detecting obstacles and paths in real time. This reduces errors, minimizes human involvement, and enhances workflow consistency. It enables faster layout completion, supports tighter schedules, and demonstrates how robotics is changing construction site management. Number 15. Autonomous Electric Tractor. John Deere's autonomous electric tractor, designed by one of the world's agricultural heavyweights, produces a total output of 500 kilowatts, equivalent to 680 horsepower, putting it among today's largest high-horsepower tractors. Thanks to its electric drive, this futuristic tractor operates with zero emissions and extremely low noise levels. Currently, it is just a working prototype, and there is no information on where or how it will get its electricity. Number 14. Tybot Tying Robot. Tybot from Advanced Construction Robotics is a fully autonomous robot designed to handle rebar tying on large-scale concrete projects such as bridges and extensive slab installations. Developed by the US-based company, Tybot automates one of the most labor-intensive and repetitive construction tasks by moving independently across rebar mats, identifying intersections, and securing ties with consistent precision. Capable of operating continuously in varying site conditions, it helps maintain steady project progress without heavy reliance on manual labor. Number 13. Apis Core. This is an innovative construction technology company redefining how buildings are made through large-scale 3D concrete printing. It develops mobile robotic printers capable of printing building walls directly on site using digital design files. Unlike traditional methods that depend on formwork and heavy manual labor, Apis Core's system prints concrete layer by layer with high precision, reducing material waste and significantly accelerating construction. Its compact, transportable robots are built for real-world conditions and can be rapidly deployed for residential and commercial projects. Number 12. All3 Mantis. Mantis is a next-generation autonomous construction robot developed to transform on-site building assembly and finishing. It combines flexibility, efficiency, and compact mobility. Unlike single-purpose machines, Mantis features a modular design that allows it to autonomously switch between components such as component placement, fastening, finishing, and inspection without manual programming. Powered by an AI-driven system trained on real construction workflows, it delivers precise execution of building logic. Number 11. Enerpcac Industrial Cutter. It offers a wide range of cutters, shears, and splitters, including bar cutters, chain cutters, cutter spreader combination tools, nut splitters, and other specialized equipment, each designed for specific industrial tasks. Its lineup includes hydraulic, electric, and manual tools that deliver quick, safe, and cost-effective cutting solutions. It can handle industrial-grade materials. These tools significantly reduce cutting time while improving safety and productivity. An added advantage is their ability to operate with zero sparks, making them especially suitable for high-risk environments. Number 10. Falch Line Worker. Speaking of roadworks, the Line 250 Line Worker by Falch GmbH is a powerful companion for demarking, surface cleaning, and floor roughening. This semi-automatic jetting tool operates at up to 250 kilowatts and significantly outperforms traditional hand lance methods. It is 2 to 4 times faster, safer, and more cost-effective. An electric drive ensures smooth, easy maneuvering, while adjustable cleaning depth allows precise work without removing excess material. A built-in water recovery system enables reuse for other operations. Number 9. Combilift Combi-SC3. The search is over for a cost-effective and flexible container handling solution, as the Combi top lift delivers fast return on investment even for operations with relatively low throughput. This high-volume straddle carrier is designed for efficient loading and unloading of containers, with a telescopic function that enables double stacking and operation in areas as narrow as 1.6 meters, optimizing storage space. It offers a working height of 265 inches and a lifting capacity of 35,000 kilograms. Using a mechanical locking system and rope wire lifting, it can handle over 12 containers per hour. Number 8. Aubot. This construction robot is still in the early stages of its evolution and commercialization, but it already demonstrates versatility in performing a variety of tasks on the job site. Running on tracks at safe speeds of up to 3 kilometers per hour, the robot can be remotely controlled via smartphone. It supports a vehicle payload of 500 kilograms and a robot payload of 10 kilograms, enabling efficient handling of materials while maintaining precision and safety on site. In addition to its construction capabilities, the robot can monitor your site, perform 3D printing, and assist with painting through its integrated spray system. Number 7. Dusty Robotics. Dusty Robotics automated layout robot transforms traditional construction layout by printing digital building models directly onto project decks, replacing manual methods like tape and chalk lines. It significantly reduces total layout time from months to days, enabling teams to build more efficiently and freeing layout professionals for higher value work. Capable of printing all trades layouts at once, it ensures 100% accuracy, delivers the latest design revisions to the field, handles complex projects, and compresses overall construction schedules. Number 6. Built Robotics. In the United States, construction demand is growing, fueled by a strong domestic economy and government stimulus programs, yet labor shortages caused by an aging workforce and fewer new skilled employees are creating major challenges. To address this, BR has developed a retrofit automation device designed to enable fully automated operation of construction machinery for tasks such as excavation, loading, and transportation without human intervention. The system prioritizes safety, featuring worker, obstacle, and vehicle detection to prevent collisions and remote emergency stop capability, which makes it a good option. Number 5. Okibo Plastering Robot. Now we have a next-generation construction robot that automates plastering, painting, drywall finishing, sanding, and coating tasks without any site preparation. External markers, screws, cords, hoses, or Wi-Fi. Using a patented AI-driven 3D scanning and real-time modeling system, it maps its environment and plans its path independently, enabling it to apply joint compound, plaster, paint, or finish walls with consistent quality and speed of up to about 1,000 square feet per hour. Number 4. The Ducker Outrigger, a leading solution for large-scale roadside maintenance. It has mowers attached to 10.3 meter boom arms, which makes cleaning hard-to-reach roadside areas easier than ever. The system, mounted on the front and back of a compact truck, is controlled via a specially designed remote that allows multitasking. Operators can manage the boom with one hand, while keeping the other on the steering wheel for precise coverage. Additionally, the boom arms can be positioned to work on the opposite side of the road, enhancing flexibility and efficiency. Number 3. Kewazo Liftbot. This is a battery-powered robotic hoist that automates material handling on construction sites. Developed by Munich-based Kewazo, it moves scaffolding components and other materials vertically along structures, reducing labor by up to 44%. Cable-free and energy-efficient, Liftbot works with all common scaffolding systems and is adaptable to commercial, industrial, and infrastructure projects. It can also handle tasks like insulation, painting, and roofing, while integrated analytics provide real-time material flow insights to improve efficiency, safety, and workflow management. Number 2. Brokk 200. This is a smart robot that weighs around 2.1 ton, which can help in demolition for heavy-duty material removal in tight or hazardous environments. Equipped with Brokk's smart power electric system, it operates hydraulic attachments like the BHB 305 breaker or CC 480 concrete crusher to efficiently tackle concrete, rock, and other tough materials. Its remote control range of up to 300 meters ensures operator safety, while its small footprint and versatile design allow vertical and horizontal demolition in confined spaces. Number 1. Aquajet Infinity Oscillation. Finally, we have advanced hydro demolition technology that transforms concrete removal on construction sites. Unlike traditional back and forth jets, it moves the lance in a continuous figure 8 pattern, maintaining constant cutting speed for even removal and avoiding pipe holes, shadowing, and uneven surfaces. This increases productivity, reduces passes, and creates cleaner, roughened surfaces ideal for bonding new material. Integrated with Aquajet's robotic units and intelligent controls, it delivers safer, faster, and more precise concrete removal with improved efficiency and consistency. So with this, we are ending today's video. Make sure to subscribe to our channel. I promise you won't regret it. Thank you for watching.